In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the Power BI desktop version installed on your computer. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. The first step is to launch the application. So go ahead and open Power BI desktop on your computer. It's a pretty straightforward process, and I'm sure you've done it multiple times. Once you have Power BI desktop open, look towards the top left corner of your window. You'll want to click on the File tab. This is your gateway to many settings and options available within the application. So, click on that tab now. After you've clicked on the File tab, a menu should appear on the left side of your screen. You'll need to locate the About option in this menu. Sometimes you might not spot it right away, so if you don't see it immediately, don't worry. It might be nestled under the Help section instead. Just take a moment to look around and find it. When you've successfully clicked on About, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This window is super useful because it provides you with important information about your current Power BI desktop installation. You'll see the exact version number displayed prominently at the top. This version number is what you're looking for. Additionally, the pop-up will include some build details, which can be vital if you are troubleshooting issues or checking for updates. You'll also be informed about whether you are running the 64-bit or 32-bit edition of Power BI Desktop. This is crucial information, especially if you're considering downloading updates or additional features that are specific to one version or the other. Now take a moment to note this information down. Knowing your Power BI version number is essential, especially when you're looking for feature updates or if you're reaching out for help with any issues you're facing. This little detail can save you a lot of time when you need to verify compatibility with certain features or when collaborating with team members who may be using different versions. And that's it. You've successfully checked the installed version of Power BI Desktop on your computer. It's a quick and easy process that you can repeat whenever necessary, especially before updates or troubleshooting sessions. Before we wrap up, I just want to reiterate how important it is to keep your software up to date. Regular updates not only bring in new features, but also improve security and performance. So make sure to check back in periodically and verify that you're using the latest version. Thank you for joining me today on this quick tutorial. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing and liking it. This not only helps me create more content for you, but also ensures you stay updated with the latest tips and tricks in Power BI and beyond. Until next time, happy